So what do you see in the quantity column? The values, the null values or the empty values have been replaced with 0. And what now we want to do? We have to check the data type of this column. Okay, so our intended data type should be number, but here you see what is the data type. Let us click on the transform. Now data type is text. But why it is? First thing, there is some text, that is 5. So what we can do? We can just replace this 5, replace the values. We can replace this 5 with number 5, okay, and click on OK. So you see every value has been replaced with 5. Every value means where the 5 text was there, that has been replaced with 5. Now see the data type again. Go to transform. Even if we have done it, the data type is text, but the data type should be number, okay. So data type text, just click on the down arrow on the right side of the data type. You see there is decimal number, fixed decimal number, whole number, like this, percentage, date, time, etc. Text, binary. So there are many formats, okay. So suppose we click on the whole number, that is, it should be integer. It should be integer. So click on the whole number. Now you see, now the data type has been changed to whole number. Okay, so now this data type is of quantity is the whole number. Okay, so that is another transformation of changing data type. Okay, now let us go back to the order date. Let us go to the column which is called order date. So let us see what is the data type of this order date column. Go to transform. You see here also the data type is text. We want to change the data type to date data type. Okay, so click on this text. Click on this text and you see that is date. Okay, if you click on the date, the data type has got changed now. Okay, so you see the data type is date now, but you see there are many errors. So the error actually occurs due to several reasons, like suppose we are using Indian timing or we are using US timing. So due to that mismatch, error can occur. So what we can do? We can remove the errors. How? That is, go to transform again, go to replace values. On the right hand side of the replace values, there is down arrow and you just click on the replace errors. Okay. If you click on the replace errors, then what should be the value? Enter the value which will replace the error. Suppose that should be 0. Okay. So 0 will not be there. So suppose that should be any date. Suppose today's date. Suppose today's date. So that is 19/02/2026. Okay. And click on OK. Now you see every error has been replaced with this particular date. Okay. So in this way, you can change the error, you can remove the errors, and you can change the data type. Okay. So that is another thing. Now, in the last class, I have shown you how to rename the column. So suppose we want to rename this column customer name. Suppose instead of customer name, we want to make it, suppose, name of the customer. Name of the customer. So just double click on this particular column, double click on this particular column header, and you see just name of the customer, right? Name of customer. Okay. And just click outside that and it is showing name of the customer. I have typed wrongly, so D is there. Okay, so in this way you can change the name of the header. So that is renaming a column. Now, suppose you want to, so just see what is the name type, what is the particular format of the name, the first name followed by last name. So if we just want to split that column into two columns, one is first name, another is last name, what we have to do? Just you go to home. There is home, and you see there is a particular menu called split column. There is a particular menu called split column, and if we just click on the split column down arrow, it is saying by delimiter. Delimiter means it can be comma, it can be space, it can be semicolon, anything. So I am clicking by delimiter, and you are just clicking on leftmost delimiter, because only one delimiter is there, that is the space. Okay, so just we click on OK, and you see name of customer 1, that is one column. The first column has been the first column, the name of the customer column has been splitted, that is two columns are there right now. Name of the columns, name of customer 1.1, name of customer 2. Okay, now suppose we have done this wrongly. Suppose we have done this wrongly, we don't want to split that column. Now again we want to merge it. What we have to do now? Just this column is selected. We have selected this column, the first name. Now just press Ctrl in your keyboard and just select that name of customer 2 also. So 2 columns have been selected. Okay, now you again want to merge these 2 columns. So again, what you have to do? Just click on the transform, and you see there is an option called merge columns. You see there is an option called merge columns. So clicking on the merge column. So what should be the separator? That is, we want first name, space, last name. So the separator should be, you see that there are several kinds of separator. We click on space. Okay. So then click on OK. Now you see again the column is 2 columns have been merged, and it is saying merged. Okay. Just change the name of this column. Suppose customer name. Customer name. Okay. Just click outside that. Click outside it, and you see that column is customer name. Now, okay, so customer name column is back again. Okay, now just go to the region column. So that is another kind of transformation what we have learned so far, splitting